Hey everyone, this is Chris, and this is a unboxing without the box. It's actually of the UAV SKUA. I guess that's how you would say it. Basically, I wanted to get this video out because my wife is actually sort of annoyed with me saying wow about this aircraft. So, this is the unboxing. Nothing is glued yet. Everything on this aircraft, besides the dome, just mounts together with the supplied screws and bolts. So everything slides together, locks together. It all goes together really well. The spar, that's actually the front two spars, hold the bottom pod in. The back spar just goes through the rear fuselage. The entire inside has a locking block in here where you can see the this is the wood sections that go down to the bottom. It's looks like double 3mm plywood that's laminated and goes all the way to the bottom section. So extremely durable, all 4 points, and like I said, those points go on the main spar and the front spar here, and they're drilled exactly. These things fit perfectly together. The rear spar just goes through the back here, and it's just for alignment. The wood here is reinforcement for the tail assembly. It also has the nut in there for your top plate to screw down to. Just like if you had the Talon, it has that same design on the front and back. The motor mount on the front is plastic, and it's all really nice. The sides have actual doors that open up, and there is tons of space. So we can actually just stick my camera inside here, check out the inside. I'll turn it around so you can look out the front. Just amazing space in this thing. Here's the whole thing. And same thing as the Talon, how it locks in on the front for the dome assembly, except the dome is actually tilted now. So that way you get no prop in view. Unlike the Skywalker Naja, these are perfectly lined up, so the motor is not sitting more forward. It's directly above it. So even when your prop's out here, it'll still be above the dome. You have the top section, and then you have the dome here, which, if they do have enough interest, they were talking about having a tinted dome that'll actually go into a like a replaceable lock assembly. So we'll see if that actually shows up. And then you have the rear landing gear. The front wheel's already on it. So you have the rear landing gear. Tons of Velcro. They give you tons of strips of Velcro. And there's all the hardware and a wind harness for your ailerons. And that is about it. So basically, the aircraft comes in just a few parts. You have this bottom section, the top section, the two tail pieces, which slide together and lock together. There's a bunch of plastic pieces inside them that lock it all together. The tail actually has a plastic skid on it to protect the foam. And one of the best things that I've seen is these wings have dihedral. So basically what they did is inside the wing, you can see the smaller spars go to right there, and then the main spar goes all the way up to the very end. So right about at the end, you'll see that that's where the dihedral starts. And it's actually a formed carbon fiber tube to form that dihedral. So it should be extremely strong, and we'll see how it goes. So a little bit different than my other unboxings, but there it is. The UAV SKUA unboxing without the box. Check back soon for the build. Ha! There isn't much of a build on this one. But you check back soon for the build and the flight and setup.